How to get 25 USDC token voucher in Binance. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to get free 25 USDC token voucher in Binance. So basically, this is the promotion program from Binance. So you can go to your Binance account and then log into your account. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search Rewards Hub, and then you can click this one, and as you can see there is task, recommend task, and as you can see, trade at least 5,000 on futures or spot, get a 25 USDC token voucher. So basically, if you trade buy or sell at least the total 5,000 USDC, I mean US dollars, in USDT, USDC or others pair, you can get 25 USDC token voucher, and you can claim it, and you know, it's very easy, right? So if you click this one, as you can see, there are some criterias, and as you can see, you can just at least just trade 5,000. And as you can see, there are still reward left, so you can grab it if you see this video, and you can check it first, and then after you check it, and if it's still available, you can start to trade to get the rewards. So yeah, I will try it later. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.